Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, so you can see we're jammed here. They took it down to the 50 for a couple of days, down to the third standard deviation Bollinger Band, back up into the lower level. Let me zoom this. And now you've got the 9-day, which is your little blue line there, the 20-day, which is your daily mid-band, the green line. It's just been sitting in here for basically the regular session on Friday and into Globex. We have a new weekly pivot, 41.4691, and you can see we've just been kind of consolidating after the move up on Friday. It bumped its head on the pre-FOMC price early on, couldn't get back to anything past 70. Europe sold it off, but you got weekly pivot acting as support. Now, these bands are tightening up. You'd expect to get some kind of a move today. You see the monthly pivot, but again, you've got the 9-day and the 20-day extended down into weekly pivot, extended up into the 70s. So this 47 to 77 zone, you win the zone, you win the week. So the number one thing I'm looking at heading into today is, where do we close? Do we close above the weekly pivot or do we close below? So I wanted to get this out. It's 9:23. We opened in 7 minutes. I was having some technical difficulties this morning, but I worked those out. So I wanted to get a very, very quick video out to you guys. You can see, here's where we are and here's what I'm looking at. So volume weighted average price is 41.60, hourly mid band 41.62 and change. And that's, and then you've got the 20-day in there, daily mid 61.5, 9-day 54.30, daily pivot 52, new weekly pivot basically 41.47. So 47 to 63 critical off the open. 47 to 77 is the zone they have to win if you want to win the week. That's bulls or bears. Where do we close relative to the weekly pivot is going to tell us a whole heck of a lot about tomorrow. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.